Assalamu alaikum, my friends. Eid Mubarak. It's that time again, a time for joy, togetherness, and giving back. It's about celebrating with loved ones, sharing what we have, and remembering those less fortunate. Eid is a beautiful reminder that the best things in life aren't things at all. It's about love, kindness, and compassion. Get ready for some heartwarming inspiration. Number 1. Let's start with the most important, family and friends. Eid is the perfect time to reconnect with those we love. Imagine the joy on their faces when you surprise them at their doorstep. That's what Eid is all about. Number 2, let's talk about the gift of giving back. Volunteering your time to those in need can brighten someone's day and make a world of difference. Number 3, let's clear out those closets and pantries. Eid is a time to share our blessings. Donating gently used clothes or canned goods to local charities can make a real difference in the lives of those less fortunate. Number 4, let's be good neighbors. Eid is about strengthening our communities. Sometimes the smallest acts of kindness can have the biggest impact. Number 5, let's get cooking and invite the whole neighborhood. Eid is all about sharing a delicious meal with loved ones. A potluck-style dinner where everyone brings a dish is a great way to share the joy and connect with people from all walks of life. Number 6. Let's take a moment for reflection and send out positive energy into the world. While you're offering your gratitude for all the good in your life, take a moment to pray for others. You never know the impact your prayers might have on someone in need. Number 7. Let's spread the wealth of knowledge. Eid is the perfect time to share your skills, talents, and wisdom with others. Offer to teach a friend a new skill or mentor someone just starting out in their career. Number 8. It's time to spread some love through the power of words. Eid is the perfect reminder to reach out to those we care about. A simple text, a thoughtful email, or even better, a handwritten card can brighten someone's day and strengthen your bond. Number 9. Let's show some love to our local businesses. Eid is a time for celebration. Supporting local shops and restaurants helps support someone's dream and strengthens your community. Number 10. Let's roll up our sleeves and show some love to our shared spaces. Volunteer to help clean and beautify mosques and community centers. Number 11. Let's talk about a truly life-saving act: donating blood. Donating blood is a simple, selfless act that takes less than an hour but can make a world of difference in the lives of others. Find a local blood drive, roll up your sleeve, and give the gift of life this Eid. Number 12. Let's take a moment to express our appreciation for those who make our lives brighter. This Eid, take some time to write heartfelt letters of gratitude to those who have touched your life in a positive way. Pour your heart out, express your appreciation, and let them know how much they mean to you. Number 13. Let's spread the love by sharing our resources with those less fortunate. Gather extra food, clothes, or household items and donate them to local charities or shelters. Number 14. Let's unleash a wave of kindness. Sometimes the smallest gestures can have the biggest impact. Hold the door for someone, offer a genuine smile, give a compliment, or simply lend a listening ear. Number 15. Let's give back to Mother Earth. Eid is a beautiful time to connect with nature. Planting a tree is a symbolic act of hope and renewal, and it's a gift that keeps on giving for generations to come. Number 16. Let's gather our friends and family for a good old-fashioned cleanup. Our parks, beaches, and neighborhoods deserve our care. Organize a cleanup event with friends, family, or community members to promote environmental awareness and create a cleaner, healthier environment. Number 17. Let's gather the little ones and share the timeless wisdom of Islamic stories. Eid is a wonderful opportunity to teach children about their faith, values, and traditions through captivating stories. Number 18. Let's share our experiences and guide others on their journey. Consider becoming a mentor to someone who could benefit from your guidance. Your support and encouragement can make a world of difference in their lives. Number 19. Let's spread the joy of Eid by sharing our blessings with those less fortunate. A simple toy, a new outfit, or even a heartfelt card can brighten a child's day and make their Eid memorable. Number 20. Let's remember the true essence of Eid: gratitude and patience. Take a moment to appreciate all the good in your life, forgive those who may have wronged you, and approach every interaction with kindness and compassion. Eid Mubarak, wishing you joy, peace, and unity. Wow, there you have it. 20 heartwarming ways to make this Eid the most meaningful one yet. Remember, Eid isn't about how much money you spend or how fancy your celebrations are. It's about opening your hearts, connecting with loved ones, and spreading kindness wherever you go. From the bottom of my heart, Eid Mubarak to you and your loved ones. May your Eid be filled with blessings, peace, and unforgettable moments of joy.